Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove your application's name from your action bar and then make your status bar to have the same color as the background of your application. Alright, let's move on. The first thing we'll do, we'll go to themes. Then this is the first theme. The first one is for the day or the bright screen, and the second theme here is for the night or dark screen. So first of all, when you want to remove the action bar with the name of your application, you just come here. This will apply in all the activities on in your application. So when you clear it, you now see, instead of dark action bar, you say no action bar. So you do the same thing on the themes dark or themes night. You write no action bar, then you proceed. If you check on what you have, it will apply. It has applied already. So this is your status bar. You want it to have the same color as the application, so it will have an immersive look. You see the difference on the emulator now, how it was. When we apply all this, then we'll test it on the emulator and then we see how beautiful it looks. So what will you do? You go to colors, create a new color that you might call transparent. So let's create a new color name, let's call it transparent. So let's give it a value. The value will be 0, 0, 0, 0. So this color now, you are done with the color.xml file. Then head back to your themes. You go down and locate this item status bar color. So that is what you want to change. When you drop your cursor here, you see the status bar color you have. This is the primary color variant. So it is not what you need. You don't want it to be this purple when you run your application. You want it to have the color of the background of your application. So what will you do? You delete this. You might keep it, maybe if you want to use it later on. Then you call the transparent application, the transparent color you've already made, created in colors, at color slash at color here slash transparent, enter. Then you go to themes.xml night, you do the same thing, cut this out, Ctrl X. Then you still call the same color transparent. Then you apply this, you run your application and check if what you've done really worked. So let's wait for it to take some time before it loads up. So before it loads up, let's go through what we've done. We went to values. When you open your application and then it is on Android, not on project, it will be on Android. Then you go to values. When you head to values, you create a new color, name it whatever you want to name it, maybe transparent or whatever you want to name it. Then you give it a color value. After that, you open your themes, go to your theme. When you don't want the action bar with the name of your application, you say no action bar. After that, you come down here and call the color. Yeah, look at the color, it's just transparent. You call the color here, then you go over to night and do the same thing, So the application has loaded, it has installed. So let's see how it looks now. So yes, this is what we wanted to do. Yeah, it got everything correctly. The application now has no action bar or a status bar color. Now takes the default status bar color, the default background color of our application. If you want to check the dark theme, if it works, you can still do that. Don't mind this image at all. You can still check dark theme on. So dark theme is on. Let's go back to our application. So look at it, the whole application, the application interface now covers the total screen. So this is how to remove the action bar on your application and the name of your application from the action bar, and also make the status bar color be the color of your application's background. So I hope you've learned one or two things. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and don't fail to come back to see more tutorials like this. Thank you.